DJM TV.
The co-convener of the Revolution Now and publisher of Sahara Reporters, Omoyele Sowore, and 4 others have been ordered to be remanded in Kuje Correctional Center pending the determination of their bail application. The order was issued by an FCT magistrate, Mabel Bello, following the arraignment of the defendants.
Omoyele Sowore and 4 others were arrested in the early hours of January 1, 2001 for allegedly inciting the public against the federal government at what is described as an unlawful assembly. They were brought to court by the men of the Nigerian police force, not before the Federal High Court this time, where he was standing trial for arson, but before a magistrate court. Sowore and others were being charged on a 3-count charge of criminal conspiracy, unlawful assembly and inciting public disturbance, which they all pleaded not guilty to. After the plea, the defense counsel, Marshal Abubakar, in an oral bail application, urged the court to grant them bail, but was opposed by the prosecution counsel, James Idacheba, on the ground that investigation is still ongoing. The magistrate, Mabel Bello, while ruling on the bail application, insists the defendants must come with a formal application and therefore ordered that they be remanded at the Kuje Correctional Center. She also ordered that the defendants be allowed access to medical attention and to a counsel of their choice.
They were being charged for criminal conspiracy, unlawful assembly, and then inciting public disturbance to the extent that somebody is calling that there should be a change of government.
The court has used its discretion in instructing that we file a formal application for bail, which will be mandated to file and serve on the prosecution today before 4 p.m. so that we can come back tomorrow by 11 a.m.
Sowore also commented on the charge.
The policemen that were brought to where they claimed a protest was taking place just pounced on people. I came out of my car because I was covering the event and told them to stop beating people, and they pounced on me too and broke my nose.
Hearing of the bail application has been adjourned to the 5th of January 2021. Wumi Obabori, AIT News, Abuja.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and the people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.